Hello everyone, I welcome you to my channel once again. In this video we will learn about offer. This term I have introduced you in my previous video, but in this video I will elaborate this. What is the actual definition of this offer? According to section 2 clause A, when one person signifies to another his willingness to do or to abstain. Here abstain means refrain from doing anything with a view to obtaining the assent, where assent means acceptance of that other to such act, or abstinence. Here abstinence means control or restrain. He is said to make a proposal. So in brief we can say that offer is nothing but an idea or a willingness to make legal relationship between two parties. So when one person offers something to another, he gives acceptance. This is all about promise. So offer is the first step to make a promise. Ways of making an offer, or we can say types of offer. There are many types. There may be many types of offer, but I have covered some important. So express offer, implied offer, specific offer, general offer, positive offer, negative offer, cross offer, counter offer. Express offer is that which is expressed in words. Words may be written or in oral. When offerer offers something in written in words, this is express offer. Implied offer, when something behind the words or without, when any offer is made without words, so this is implied offer. Specific offer, this offer is made to specified person. Only specified person can accept this offer or can do their desired action on this offer. So this is specific offer. General offer is made to public. Anyone can make their view, or anyone can give assent to this offer. So it is general offer. Offer is made to public. Positive offer, as the name suggests, positive offer, it includes all the relevant relevant information about the offer, and it is positive. It means it has all the legal aspects of offer. Negative offer, it may have many loopholes. So this is negative offer. Cross offer, when one person exchange something or exchange an offer in respect of their the time of the two offers, this is cross offer. Counter offer is made by the offeree to another person. So this is counter offer. Counter offer is not made by the offerer, but offeree can make the offer. So this is counter offer. Essential elements of valid offer. A valid offer is said to be valid when this offer includes these things, like clear and complete. The offer so made must be clear and complete, creating legal obligation. So offer must create legally obligation. Offer may be specific or general. It is the type of the offer, so it may be specific or general. Communication of a special condition of an offer. Offer must be in form of request, not in order. Order cannot be an offer, but a request is said to be offer. Proposal must be made with the view to obtain assent. So the offer must be made with a view to obtain assent. Without obtaining assent, offer cannot be legal. So proposal may be express or implied. So as the types of the offer say, that proposal may be express or implied. Offer is equal to proposal. Thank you. I hope you have learned this and you have enjoyed it. So thank you. Thank you for watching. Hello everyone. I welcome you to my channel. As you know that in my previous lectures I have covered terminology relating to Indian Contract Act 1872. In this video I would like to move further by continuing the sessions. So in this chapter or in this session I will learn the meaning of acceptance. What is acceptance? According to section 2 clause B, a proposal is said to be accepted when proposal means offer. A offer is said to be accepted when the person to whom the proposal is made signifies his assent thereto. A proposal when accepted becomes a promise, as we know. So what is acceptance? Acceptance is the assent of a person who gives to the offer made for him. So this is acceptance. Types of acceptance: express acceptance and implied acceptance. What is express acceptance? When the acceptance is expressed in words, so it is express acceptance. Implied acceptance: when promisee, or we can say when offeree gives acceptance without any words, it is implied of acceptance. As the implied offer, we covered the implied definition of implied offer, so it is implied acceptance. So implied acceptance means acceptance given without words, other than words. It may be in terms of anything. The acceptance may be in terms of anything, so it is implied acceptance. Essentials of a valid acceptance: characteristics or legal rules to acceptance. Acceptance must be absolute. It means correct, will be absolute. The acceptance must have the rigidness or the solid substance in it. So acceptance must be absolute. Acceptance must be in accordance to prescribed manner. So acceptance must be in accordance to prescribed manner. Acceptance must be within the prescribed time. Proposal must be accepted to whom it is made. So promise is must be in prescribed manner, in prescribed time, or the acceptance must be of the person whom the proposal is made. Acceptor must be aware of the proposal. Communication of acceptance must be given only by the person to whom the offer is made. Offer once rejected cannot be accepted. So modes of revocation of proposal: lapse of proposal, or how does an offer come to an end. Why notice of revocation? Why notice of revocation? By the lapse of specified time, by making an counter offer, by the non-fulfillment of condition of offer, by destruction of subject matter, by death of the offerer or offeree. So a proposal comes to an end when notice is revocation, by the notice of revocation, when offer or offeree gives revocation notice, or when specified time is over, when the offer is given and the specified time is over, then an offer comes to an end. By making a counter offer, by the non fulfillment of condition of offer, when offerer offers something and the conditions to the offer are not being fulfilled by the offeree, it becomes to the offer comes to an end. By destruction of subject matter or by the death of offerer and offeree. If offer expired, when offerer expired at the time before the time of acceptance, the offer becomes invalid. Definition of contract, I will cover this topic in next video. So thank you for watching. Enjoy this video. Thank you.